Let's take a journey back in time together to 1967, when Melvin Conway developed and formulated Conway's Law. Conway's Law states organizations which design systems are constrained to produce designs which are copies of the communication structures of these organizations. In simple terms, the way teams within an organization communicate and collaborate will influence the structure of the systems they develop. If an organization has siloed departments with limited cross-team communication, the systems they design will have flawed solutions. In the cybersecurity space, Conway's Law has critical implications, particularly regarding how security practices and protocols are designed, implemented, and maintained. Practical application in cybersecurity strategy to counter the negative effects of Conway's Law in cybersecurity. Organizations should promote cross-team collaboration. Cybersecurity teams must work closely with developers, IT, and operations teams to ensure security is baked into the system from the ground up. Adopt integrated tools. Use security tools that enable visibility and coordination across the entire organization, avoiding silos in monitoring and response. Encourage communication. By addressing how communication structures influence the design of security systems, companies can better align their cybersecurity strategies with their organizational setup, thus reducing vulnerabilities and improving overall security posture. I hope this trip into the past helped you a little pre-appre for our future. Till next time, Brutus is out /